Hi, I'm Yoshi. Before I'm there with the Super Mario Club. Okie dokie, Yoshi. I was trying. Let's do it. Say cheese, detective. Cheese. And now we take a picture of the phrase to reflect you when we need it. Right you on, Chief Inspector. Yoshi. Good morning, Lan. How is it going, folks? Oh, I was just what? Everything is folks along the way. You betcha, Yoshi. Okay, Lan. Jack, nature cats, execute. Let me do this for you, please. Okay, let me do the train, please. Bell routine, set, execute. First, explain rules. Select Mario chip. Then, convertible. Okay, that's for the enemies. Be small tire. And then we'll send a chip. Okay? And
I need a first name and a city.
Okay, let's do this. There are 3 base motors. Big gun. We can do this. And delete it.
I do suggest leaving a little early. Be prepared as there are many parking restrictions. Now through July 5th, it's GNC's Summer Savings Event. Get hot values starting at $9.99 on your favorite essentials. Vitamins, fish oil, probiotics, and more. Change begins at GNC. If you happen to see a traffic problem this evening, let us know on the CLE traffic tip line at 216-861-0544. I'm Jared Jones with Time Saver Traffic on Star 102.
Enemy don't hit. Ah! You saved me free! Thanks, Nature Cat. Thanks for helping with the training. Okay, it's my turn. Max HP. Good. Enemy delete. Machine gun 1. More area 1. Yoshi get. Squinks. Yoshi get. Daisy. Jack out, Yoshi. Yes. Okay, roger that.
You're incredibly savvy with spy hardware. For civilians, that is. Roger that. Nothing wrong with that.
Chief Inspector! What? How does you doing it? Wait. Nature cats? I don't believe it. Kaplamas was trapped. The flashy come one. I don't know where to go. Oh, I know where to go yet. We're going to the Electown. One moment, please. Probably a good name for nature cats. Yes, we are. I don't believe it. What's that one? It's okay. I'll probably good match. Wait. Wallygay, how's that one? I'm probably a good name for you, Dex. Me too, Pie. I should be on this. Good one, Dex.